Welcome to this tutorial where I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how to install and set up your app Timezone Conversion Action Automation for workflows. Once you're in your account, navigate to App Marketplace, search for the app and you click on it. Click on Install and select the account. Search for the account and you click on Continue. Then you click on Allow and Install, and a page is going to pop up where you're going to copy the custom menu link. Head back to your account, navigate to Settings, click on the custom menu links and you head over to Create New. Insert an icon, give a title, paste the link here, then choose a sidebar preference and you choose an account. Give a role-based visibility and click on Save. Once you're done creating the custom menu link, switch to the account where you added it and click on it. The first interface of the app is going to pop up here. The app has been connected. Let's walk you through how to connect the app. Click on Manage, and the second interface is going to pop up where you have all the necessary features such as the documentation, and everything you need to get started with this app is right in here. We have the Smart Queue and the walkthrough video that is going to guide you on how to get the necessary credentials to set up your app. We have the app setup. No worries, let's walk you through on that. Click on the Start Setup and insert your email. Then click on Complete Setup and your app will be successfully configured. We have the support center where you'll be able to create a ticket for the team and schedule a call with the team. We have the changelog to track all the updates and improvements made on this app. And to receive emails, toggle on the email notification button, insert your email and click on subscribe. You've learned how to install and set up your app. Our support team is available for more guides and tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.